In this video, we're going to go over the basic quick start and preset tuning for physically based auto depth of field in the Universal Render Pipeline on version 2020.3 LTS. Let's begin by showing the two methods you can use to add the main component. Version 1, Head to Window. HIBIKI Entertainment. Depth of field. Add auto depth of field. Version 2, right-click the hierarchy to bring up the context menu. HIBIKI Entertainment. Depth of field. Add auto depth of field. You can now see the auto depth of field icon has been assigned to the main camera in your hierarchy, and the component has been added to the bottom of the camera's inspector. Next, we want to build presets to help drive the volumes and components. There are two defaults. To create one, head to Window. HIBIKI Entertainment. Depth of field. Create preset. A preset is created at the Asset folder root. Name it, and you'll see it in the Component Preset Selection field. We'll come back to the tuning of the new preset shortly. But let's select Default and set up some game objects so they can be focused onto. Selecting this paint bucket, I can add a mesh collider or, more performantly, a primitive collider to it. And to this wooden stud. My game object and component layers should also match. Now when I enter play mode, my focus point will shift object to object, based on my preset settings. Heading back to your newly created preset. Enter play mode and enable the debugging checkbox at the bottom. You can now set your max distance to your ideal level. If you don't see the debugger on the screen, make a change to the edge fade slider in the debug section to instantiate it again. You will want to set your camera in the right location per scene or view that best accommodates your project before tuning your max distance. This is something you'll have to experiment with. The next key components to set are your base and extended aperture settings. The base is the setting your depth of field's aperture will be set to when it finds something to focus on. Extended is any other time. You can use reverse mode on technique in our other support videos to only utilize the base aperture. Once you're happy, be sure to save the preset before leaving play mode. In our other advanced videos, you can find setups for the volume framework, Cinemachine integration, camera stacking, reverse on mode and more. So keep watching.